So welcome back dears. So it's 24th October 2020 IELTS test review, and in this video we are going to discuss about morning slot with complete answers. Okay, so first we'll see regarding the listening module. So the part 1 was a fill up, and part 2 was short MCQs, and part 3 with large MCQs, and again part 4 with fill ups. That was one word only, fill ups. So overall today the listening section of morning slot was quite easy, and some students told that it is easy to moderate. Okay, and regarding the audio was little bit fast as usual. Okay, now we will see the answers for your listening module. First one airport, second one actually I didn't get it, third one printer, 4 CT, 5 online, 20, sixth one 20, 7 6174920122, eighth one confirmation, 9 contract, 10 8 o'clock, 11F, 12D, 13A, 14C, 15G, 16H, 17B, 18F, 19C, and 20 also I didn't get it, 21 also, then 22C, 23B, 24A, 25B, 26A, 27D, 28E, 29B. 30 also I didn't get the answer, 31 foundation, 32 sand, 33 clay, 34 convenient, 35 training, 36 labor, 37 roof, 38 insects, 39 strength, and 40 fire. So some of the answer I didn't get it. So if you know the answers means, and if you are confirmed with your answers means, you can comment that below and have a discussion section as usual. And so sorry for the late uploading of this video. Okay, actually I was little bit busy, that's why I can't able to prepare it by evening. Anyway, now we'll see regarding the reading module. So overall the reading module was in moderate level. So in passage 1 they got true false not given type question along with fill ups, and in passage 2 they got MCQs along with yes no not given type question, and in passage 3 they got match the information question along with selection of letters. So it's regarding the academic module. Okay, and overall the reading section was in moderate level only. Most of the students told like that, and the passage 1 was quite easy, and passage 2 and 3 was in moderate level. Okay, now you can check out the answers for your reading section. First one was gods, second one monastery, third one companies, and fourth one king, fifth one bouquet, sixth one tea, 7 true, 8 true, 9 not given, 10 false, 11 false, 12 true, 13 true, 14 actually I didn't get the answer. You can comment that below. Okay, don't forget to comment the answers. 15 F, 16 G, 17 B, 18 A, 19 C, and 20 B. 21 no, 22 not given, 23 yes, 24 no, 25 yes, 26 no, 27 yes, 28 no, 29 yes, 30 not given, 31 B, 32 A, 33 C, 34 B, 35 G, 36 E, 37 A, 38 also I didn't get the answer, 39 J, and 40 D. So if you find any of these answers as incorrect one means, you can comment that below. You can comment your opinions. So we confirmed the answers with the students, and after that only I prepared this video. Anyway, if you find any answers as incorrect one, and if you are confident with your answers means, you can comment that below. And I didn't get some of the answers, that also if you are remembering means, you can comment that below. Okay, so now we will see regarding the writing section for academics. And regarding the general module, if I'm getting the answers means, I will prepare one video, and after this I will release the video for the afternoon section too, regarding the listening and reading answers. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So now we will move on to the writing section, and first we will see regarding the task 1 of academics. In task 1 they got a map. So it's very happy to announce that again our prediction was 100% right. So you can compare with our prediction video now. So in task 2 they got a discussion type essay, that means about the advantage disadvantage type of essay. So here you can see the question. In some countries students pay their college or university fees, while in some others the government pay for them. So do you think the advantage of government pay the money outweigh the disadvantage? So here you can see the model answer. Before that make sure about the structure. So here you want to write about the advantage and also the disadvantage, but it's a somewhat outweigh type question, so you want to give more importance to the advantage. Okay, so you want to write the advantage in 2 different body paragraph and also advantage in single body paragraph. So it's better to write in 3 body paragraph. Okay, so first you want to start away to the introduction. Modern society is giving more importance to education, so that's my general statement. It is true that many local universities have free tuition for students, especially international students. So some of the people argue that the government want to give free education to students. So that's the paraphrased version. Then I want to give the outline sentence. Here in this essay, we are going to discuss whether the benefits outweigh the drawbacks of this trend or not, with examples in upcoming paragraphs. So that's all about my outline sentence. So it's a discussion essay, so no need to write your opinion. Okay, that means the thesis statement. Then you can write the body paragraph. So first we are writing about the disadvantage. On the one hand, there are many credible arguments against free education. So that's the topic sentence. Firstly, the individuals themselves get so much benefit from higher education, so they should themselves pay for it. Another point to consider is offering all people free education would tempt many people to enter schools and colleges, whether they were interested or not. In other words, rather than choosing a course to get a job, some young people would opt for doing a degree to get a certificate. So half-heartedly they apply for it. This would not only a waste of country's finance, but also waste of human resources. For them, there is a lot of chance to drop out their course in midway, because it is well known fact that if a person get something free, he does not value it that much. Okay, if a person get anything free, he does not value it that much. So that's all about the disadvantage. Then you can move on to the advantage, and you want to give more importance to advantage. So you can divide that into 2 different body paragraph. So moving on to the second body paragraph. On the other hand, free education have a host of benefits. The whole society would benefit if higher education gone free. That is why in all developing countries there has been a strong effort to raise the educational level of the society by putting a lot of money in educational institutions. For example, developing countries like India cannot move ahead without enough educated professionals such as doctors, teachers, scientists and engineers. Government in such countries provides scholarship for free education to as many students as they can, because they realize that the whole country will be benefited by that. Okay, then you want to continue the advantages in the third body paragraph too. So additionally, there are a number of students who cannot pay their tuition fees got support by this practice. Therefore, they may be well qualified for future employment. For instance, Subarna Dev from West Bengal, India, she comes from a background in which female education is considered sinful, and she had overcome the obstacles by the help of Google Scholarship and completed her formal education. So as a result, society would benefit by getting the right people trained, and valuable resources would not be wasted. So we just wrote the advantage and disadvantages in 3 different body paragraph, and we just confirm it that advantage outweigh the disadvantage. Then you can conclude your essay. In conclusion, everyone has the right to access universities, schools and colleges. However, before providing free education, government should consider the financial stability and interest of the student towards the education to avoid financial loss and resource wastage. So that's all about your essay. We just restated the main points in the conclusion too. So that's all about the review section. So if you find this video helpful, means please give thumbs up and share with your friends who are or who already wrote their exams today. So, and also those who are planning to write, also they can know the level of the exams and all. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notification too. So stay tuned. I will be back with the afternoon section, listening and reading answers. Thank you.